Welcome back. Counting with healthy eating, whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or even help save the planet and animals, Munchbox has it all covered. Munchbox has experts whom they call snackologists that have come up with a wide range of healthy, mouth-watering snacks and dedicated variety boxes that meet all your dietary requirements. Let's go ahead and meet the wonderful people behind this concept. So the founder, the creator of Munchbox is right here with me. Welcome, Mahmood.
Thank you, Priya.
Right, so Mahmood, before we get on to munching all of these amazing munchies and snacks that we have right here with us, tell me all about Munchbox and how did you arrive at starting something like this?
Okay, great. So our journey with Munchbox started around 6 years ago. I was always into fitness and running and so on. And I was working for a chocolate company. When I joined the chocolate company, I gained 6 kilos in 2 months. And I decided that's it, no more unhealthy snacking.
Yeah.
So I go to the supermarket and I look at all the healthy bars out there. And when you flip them, you find the first ingredient is usually sugar, high fructose glucose. It's not healthy. So I did some Googling and I found that there's nobody making healthy snacks and delivering them in Dubai. So I decided to leave my job and start Munchbox. That's how it started. And the ethos of the company is we make snacks that we want our families to eat. So we don't put any nasties in the snacks. All the snacks are clean, they're healthy, they're good for you. We don't add any sugar in any of our snacks, and we cater to many different dietary needs.
Yeah.
So we have the low-calorie snacks, we have the keto snacks, we have the high-protein snacks. We try to cover all the snacking needs of the UAE population.
COVID times, have you done something during these times or how have you actually coped up with these times?
So that's a very good question. COVID was, of course, as everybody knows, was a game changer. So the behavior of the consumer and the needs of the consumer shifted from them walking into the supermarket and buying their snacks to them spending a lot of time at home, especially with the lockdown. And what do you do when you stay at home? You end up walking back and forth to the fridge, looking for something to eat, and you end up snacking. We all do it. Yeah, we all do it. So we tapped into our database of customers. We were calling them and asking them, how are you changing your snacking habits? So we compensated the dip in retail by launching new snacks online to help people snack at home.
Great, Mahmood. I think you've had a wonderful time so far with the brand, but I'm sure you have plans for it, the future plans. Where do you see yourself with Munchbox 5 years from now?
So if you asked me 3 years ago, I would have said I want Munchbox to be present in several countries.
Yeah.
That's where we are now. So the vision now for Munchbox is 2 things. One, to expand into more and more countries. And secondly, to play in more and more categories. So Munchbox will be the trusted healthy food brand that you can find in almost every aisle of the supermarket.
Wonderful. Mahmood, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you, my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Can I get down to munching these
Absolutely,
boxes now?
absolutely. Help yourself.
Thank you. All right, so let's now meet the COO of Munchbox. Welcome, Radhika.
Welcome to Munchbox and thank you.
Right, so Radhika, tell me all about the processes and the product in Munchbox, the different kind of snacks that you develop.
Wonderful. Okay, so Munchbox primarily is about clean eating, healthy eating. The ethos of the company is no sugar added. We don't have anything that is with sugar. If you do find something sweet, and there's a lot of our products which are sweet, it's all natural. It's all coming from fruits, dates, from natural sweeteners, etc. The second pillar of Munchbox, I would say, is it's got to be clean label. So we don't add any nasties. You won't find, a million E numbers or chemical products, etc. and other thing. And the third and the most important one for Munchbox is have fun, be innovative.
So you've made some new launches in COVID times. Tell us more about that.
Right. So during COVID, we realized that we needed to come up with some more snacks which people could enjoy in their homes, since everyone was working from home. They were, children were home, schools were off, universities were off. And we decided that we are going to give something to everyone, to everyone's palate. And that's when we launched 6 new boxes, which are 44 new snacks. And interestingly enough, we just did 2 new launches last week.
Wow.
So we have launched something for children. And given that children need that healthy snack when they go back to school, so they get to make their own snacks, they get to eat delicious snacks, and they get to learn that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or not delicious.
Yeah.
So we kind of help mums out there a little bit.
That is wonderful. So what are the kind of things that they can make?
So we've at the moment started with 2 different snack boxes where they can make either Rice Krispie date balls, or they can make something with oats. It's an activity for play dates, it's an activity for when they're just bored, weekend activities, and it's got very good reception. So we know that this is working. We know mums are excited about it. We know children are excited about it. And all the snacks are sugar-free, all the snacks are clean label, and all the snacks are made by our hands lovingly for the children.
Radhika, it's been a lot of fun. It's been a great pleasure talking to you and knowing all about Munchbox. And now I just look forward to eating it.
Likewise, and we hope you enjoy all our snacks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We come to an end of this episode. While you keep munching with us, do keep sharing your thoughts and feedback with us on our social media handles below. Keep watching Zee Connect. Until next week, this is me, Priya, signing off.